Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by dividing hair into small 1/4 to 1/2-inch sections because freeform dreads form best with controlled starting points. Once sectioned, make sure hair is clean and free of silicone or heavy conditioners. This helps strands mat. Start each section by loosely twisting or simply pinching and palm rolling while clipping to keep shape. You are creating initial direction, not perfect locks. This encourages natural merging. Keep a small crochet hook on hand to tidy stubborn loops as formation begins. You now shift into maintenance, the middle phase where structure builds. Once a month, use gentle palm rolling to encourage cylindrical shapes, and between washes, separate roots that have started to join if you want distinct locks. Do not pick or comb, let hair knot naturally, but use a 0.60 8 mm crochet hook sparingly to pull loose hairs into locks. Make sure to wash every 2 to 3 weeks with a residue-free cleanser, so mats tighten without product buildup that stalls locking. You finish by refining texture and addressing issues that arise as locks mature. Once locks are well formed, trim only frayed tips to tidy without changing core shape. If you see weak spots, reinforce them with palm rolling and gentle backcombing or a few crochet passes to capture loose hairs. If excessive unraveling occurs, make sure to reduce wash frequency and avoid heavy conditioners. When needed, use the small hook to pull slipping hairs back into the lock. One troubleshooting tip: if a lock keeps
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.